press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
Hey guys, welcome back on Indian Makeup, and yeah, this is the thing I would be making for you in this video. And if you're thinking what's this is a face mask or a face scrub which is meant for summers, because yeah, in summers summer makes our skin crazy. So yeah, this is a lifesaver for summers for our skin. So yeah, if you want to know how I have made this beautiful and actually working face mask or face scrub, then please keep on watching. So for making this face scrub or face mask, you would be needing some besan over here. So yeah, you can get besan in any Indian household. So I would be using a spoonful of besan, and now in it I would be mixing a little bit of haldi. You can also get haldi in every Indian household. And then I would be mixing it some lemon juice. So a big spoonful of lemon juice and a spoonful and a half, and I would be giving a nice mix. So yeah, this is ready, and now I would be showing you how to apply it. So I'm using a brush. You can also apply it with your hands as well, no issues. Oops. So I would be applying it right here. So you have to go like with a thin layer, not a very thick layer. So just apply it like this wherever you want to apply, on your face, on your neck, on your hands, on your legs. You can apply it anywhere on your body. So yeah, just apply it like this and leave it for 3-4 minutes, and it would get semi dry. My face mask or face scrub has get a little dry, so I would scrub it like this in circular motions, and I would remove all the face mask from my skin by scrubbing like this gently. So yeah, your skin would get a little bit of on yellow side, but no issues. You can wash it with water and it would get away. It would also remove your small facial hairs like around your chin, on your upper lip. So it's great for removing your facial hair also. So you see, I have removed like everything from my hand by circular motions, and now I would be washing it off. So yeah, I have washed my face scrub cum face mask, and you can see my right hand is right here and my left hand on which I have used my face scrub cum face mask, and it is looking a bit clear, and my right hand is looking normal. So yeah, with regular use you would get a clear and bright skin, and because you remove the face mask by circular motion, by rubbing it like this, so yeah, it gives a nice blood circulation. So yeah, you would get a beautiful glow wherever you use, on your skin, on your face, on your hand. So yeah, this face mask is great for summers, because yeah, we all know that summers and sun and our skin, they are not good friends. They make things weird, and yeah, in summers sun burn our skin like crazy. So yeah, you can use this face mask and you would get a beautiful glow. And with regular use, of course, this is not a magical face mask. It would give you results in one use, of course, but not like crazy results. You have to use it like thrice a week, or you can also use it once a week, like nicely, and yes, you would get results. So yeah, this was all for this video, and yeah, I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.